Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to create a KCEX account. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this referral code, which makes you eligible for new user rewards. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. To create a KCEX account, you can use mobile or email. We are going to sign up with our email, so let's go ahead and put our email address in and create a password. We then can sign up. Copy and paste the 6-digit verification code from your email. And we have successfully registered. The first page it takes us to is the reward center, so you can just scroll down and look at all the new user rewards that you are eligible for. The next thing we're going to do is check out the KYC requirements to see what we can and can't do on the exchange without KYC. We can see in identification that the current withdrawal limit is 15 BTC in 24 hours. If we did want to increase that limit, we could go ahead with KYC. We just click on primary KYC, verify, and we would scan the barcode and continue the KYC process on our phone. Looking around KCEX a little bit, we can see this is where we deposit funds. This is where we can check out the market section. If we want to spot trade, futures trade, the event center, and if you want to invite friends. Up here is where your wallet is, so you again can deposit, withdraw. You could also check out spot, futures, and more. If you want to get the best bonuses when signing up to KCEX, you should create a new account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this page where you can see all the bonuses that you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.